Hello, in this video we will take a look at how do we open a notepad in PowerShell and how also do we open a text file in Notepad in PowerShell. And then we will also take a look at how do we open Word document in PowerShell and also a browser in PowerShell and also launch a specific URL within the browser when we open. So let's get started. How do we open a notepad? So to open Notepad, we need to write start process. We want to start the process in the computer so that we associate the notepad process with that. Now here we need to know where the executable of the notepad is. So the executable of notepad is in C drive Windows /system32 /notepad.exe. all right, so let's go ahead and hit run, and as you can see now we have the notepad opened up. Okay, if you would like to open a specific file in the notepad, you specify that with the additional parameter. So I'm going to say C drive, and I do have PowerShell example, and let me pick up a text file. I do have a sample text. So now let's go ahead and hit run, and you will see that now notepad has opened up, and then it also associated the sample text txt file with the notepad. Okay, let's close this. Now let's see how do we open a Word document. So to open a Word document, let's just remove this. We will be using start process. Now where do we find a Word executable? So all we need to write is, let's just type in Word. You see Word application, right click that, open file location. Okay, so here we have a Word, right click that as well. Let's go to properties. Let's click the target where you will see winword.exe. Let's cancel this and let's put it over here. Let's remove the double quotes. Let's wrap it up in the single quote, and let's also pass on the file that we would like to open in Word. So I'm just going to say PowerShell examples sample document.docx. okay, let's hit run, and you would see Word is opening, and it is also attached sample document with this Word, and this is how we were able to open the sample document of Word in PowerShell. Let's close this. Let's try to now launch a Chrome similar way, or even a Bing. So the way we want to do it is, let's say we want to open up a Chrome. So we'll take the similar approach. We have a Google Chrome. We typed it in the search, right click, open file location. Let's just copy this, put it in double quote. Let's just make sure that the name of the application is correct. It's Google Chrome. Let's right click. Let's click on properties. Let us just copy this instead. Let's come back. Let's put this into a single quotation. Double quotation is also just fine. Now, if you would like to open a specific website in Google Chrome, we can actually specify the argument list. As you can see, we have the argument list, and then we'll have to put in the argument. We'll call it as a start full screen. We want to open this Chrome into the full screen, and then we will specify the URL. So we would, let's say, would like to open bing.com, double quote over, single quote over. So let's go ahead and hit run, and as you can see, it has opened up a Chrome, and it has also launched bing.com in the Chrome. So I hope this simple example helped you to understand how do we work with Notepad, how do we work with Word and open that, and how do we open a browser using PowerShell. I thank you for watching the video.